Tonight we're with the Philippine Consulate in Sydney in the launching of its very first survey of Filipinos and Filipino organizations in New South Wales. Good evening once again.
Good evening. Good evening.
Thank you for talking with us. I know you're busy, but we'd like to ask you, is this your very first effort or mandate as the new Consul General in?
Well, since I arrived here 4 months ago, there have been some activities that the consulate has initiated. But as I was saying earlier, this is the very first survey that the consulate is going to do. And of course, as I mentioned also, it is in line with our efforts to come up with a as much as possible a comprehensive database on Filipinos in the New South Wales.
Do you have a rough estimate of how much is your target? What will make you happy that it is quite a substantial survey, or just not? You know?
Well, based on the 2006 Australian census, there are a total of about 200,000 Filipino migrants in Australia, but that's way back in 2006. And there is, based on that, there is an estimate that almost half of that figure is in New South Wales. So if we can generate even 50%,
that
will give us a very good idea already on the profile of the Filipinos here.
And you can assure the public, or I should say the Filipino Australian community, that their information, whatever they enter, is safe.
Yes, yes. The details that we will provide in the online survey, as well as through the hard copies, and that will be submitted to the consulate, will be kept confidential. We would like to assure them that the details they provide will just remain with us and will not actually be given out.
Because I am already anticipating questions. If I tell them, because you said word of mouth is very important, and if I promote it, they will say, "Oh, am I sure they will not solicit? You know what happens?"
No, the main purpose actually is just to have a baseline data for the consulate's disaster preparedness and emergency response program.
What if people don't put their real names? I saw that there's a line for name, address.
Yes, that's true. That's true. Well, we hope that we are counting that they will provide
have to appeal to our
accurate data.
Filipinos.
Before we embark on this survey, we know that these are some of the limitations that we can encounter. But as I was saying, you know, if we don't start this, where do we start?
And you mentioned you were coordinating with 2 other consulates.
Well, there are actually...
Do you mind telling us which ones?
There are 2 other embassies that have been implementing this. They're actually the way they've been conducting it in their online website was a source of information for us. And these are the Philippine embassies in Bangkok, and the Philippine embassy in Bangkok, and the one in Seoul, South Korea. I am not sure whether there are others.
Have they finished?
No, it's ongoing.
Ongoing. So just 3 of you doing it.
Well, there might be other posts, but these are the only 2 where I was able to use their existing one as inputs to our own exercise.
Thank you for all your...
You're welcome. You're welcome. Thank you.